This forecast is a tough one, our toughest so far this year as far as just dealing with this heat, a heat wave. And I guess we can't complain too much. It is August. We live in North Texas. We've not yet really had a heat wave, but we are in for one certainly the next few days. We've already had 3 100-degree days when you factor in yesterday where we hit 101. And of course, the other two came back to back in July on a Sunday, Monday, July 12th and 13th. So 3 days so far. Average for the summer season is 18. So we're way below that number, but it doesn't mean it's making it any easier to accept these numbers. We take a look from Fort Worth where we've got blue sky. Temperatures are already coming into the low 90s from DFW Airport. 91, but it feels like 100. Dew point of 74. It's the key, and it stays very uncomfortable and tough to take. High humidity the next couple of days. It's what's going to make it so uncomfortable today. We've already talked about the temperatures getting above 100, so that's about 103 for today. It looks like our hottest day yet this year. Then the humidity, it's going to make really the feels like temperature the dangerous part of up to 110, maybe some spots just above 110 for how it feels. So you really want to use caution, and I know we talk about this a lot. We practice drinking lots of water, light colored clothing, but you really can't overemphasize that and really just try to reduce that outdoor time because we've got to deal with it tomorrow up to 105, and then we got to deal with it again on Saturday. So we will see this heat wave into the weekend. I have some good news though. We look ahead past the weekend. That ridge is actually going to be shifting and it pushes farther to the west. So we will catch the slightest bit of a break. You can see that nice dip in the jet stream, that trough developing across the eastern U.S. We'll get some benefit from that. First of all, there's going to be a cold front to slide through on Monday, but we will be able to see those temperatures come down slightly. I think it could also help as far as Tropical Storm Josephine goes. I think that could help keep it out over waters, open waters, and less impact to the U.S. Let's take a look at that. Now, our 10th named storm as of late this morning, 45-mile-per-hour max sustained winds moving off to the west-northwest. And it does look right now that track would keep it out over the Atlantic. So you can see this is by early next Tuesday. And I do agree with that. If you look at our upper levels, it doesn't bode well for Josephine making it too close to the U.S. Fingers crossed that stays the case. For us, fingers crossed we can get a cool down soon, Karen, but at least next week does look better.